Did you know that nearly 39% of adults worldwide are overweight and 13% are obese? These alarming statistics come straight from the World Health Organization. Obesity isn't just about how we look. It's a gateway to serious health problems like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. But what if I told you there's a tiny seed that could help tackle this issue? Yes, I'm talking about chia seeds, one of nature's most powerful superfoods. Stick with me as I reveal how eating chia seeds for just 1 week could transform your health and why you absolutely need them in your diet. Welcome to our channel where your health and wellness journey begins. If you're passionate about feeling your best and unlocking simple wellness tips for a healthier life, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend who you think might benefit from these amazing tips. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding why chia seeds are so special and how they can help prevent common health problems. You see, chia seeds are packed with nutrients that target some of the biggest health concerns we face today. Take fiber, for example. Many of us don't get enough fiber in our diets, which can lead to issues like weight gain, poor digestion, and high cholesterol. Chia seeds are an excellent source of soluble fiber. When mixed with liquid, they form a gel-like consistency in your stomach, keeping you full longer and reducing those unhealthy cravings. And then there are the omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential for heart health, and chia seeds are loaded with them. They help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol levels, and keep your heart functioning at its best. In fact, organizations like the American Heart Association emphasize the importance of omega-3s in maintaining a healthy heart. Chia seeds are also rich in antioxidants. These fight free radicals in your body, which not only slows down the aging process, but also reduces the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. And let's not forget their high calcium and magnesium content, which makes them excellent for bone health. So, whether you're trying to lose weight, improve digestion, or simply feel more energetic, chia seeds can help you get there. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about flax seeds? Aren't they just as good? It's a great question, and here's the scoop. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses, but there are some key differences. For starters, chia seeds are slightly higher in omega-3 fatty acids, which makes them a bit more effective when it comes to fighting inflammation and promoting heart health. They also have more fiber than flax seeds, which means they're better at keeping you full and improving digestion. Another big advantage of chia seeds is that you don't need to grind them. Flax seeds have a tough outer shell, so they need to be ground up to release their nutrients. Chia seeds, on the other hand, can be eaten whole, making them super convenient. That being said, flax seeds do have their strengths, like a higher content of lignans, which are known for their cancer-fighting properties. But if you're looking for a seed that's easy to use, versatile, and packed with nutrients, chia seeds might just be the better choice. So, how do you actually eat chia seeds? The great thing about them is how versatile they are. One of the easiest ways is to soak them in water or milk. Just add 1 or 2 tablespoons to a glass, let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and watch as they absorb the liquid and turn into a gel-like consistency. You can even add some honey or cinnamon for flavor. It's like a healthy pudding. Another simple way to enjoy chia seeds is to sprinkle them over your favorite foods. You can add them to yogurt, oatmeal, salads, or even soups. They don't have much of a taste, so they blend right in without overpowering your meal. And if you're a fan of smoothies, toss a spoonful of chia seeds into your blender. They add a nice nutritional boost without changing the flavor. Just remember, chia seeds absorb a lot of water, so it's important to stay hydrated when you include them in your diet. Now, let's talk recipes. If you're looking for some tasty ways to incorporate chia seeds into your meals, I've got you covered. One of my favorites is chia pudding. It's so easy to make. All you need is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, a cup of almond milk, and a little drizzle of honey. Mix it all together. Let it sit overnight. And in the morning, you've got a creamy, delicious pudding. Add some fresh fruits on top, and you're good to go. Another great option is chia energy bites. Just mix chia seeds with oats, peanut butter, honey, and a handful of chocolate chips. Roll them into bite-sized balls, and you've got a healthy grab-and-go snack. And here's a quick drink idea. Chia lemonade. Stir a tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of lemonade, let it sit for about 10 minutes, And you've got a refreshing, hydrating drink that's also loaded with fiber. See? Adding chia seeds to your meals is not only simple, but also super fun. So there you have it. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're packed with benefits that can transform your health. From improving digestion to boosting energy levels and supporting heart health, these little seeds truly live up to their superfood reputation. Why not give it a try? Eat chia seeds for just 1 week and see the difference for yourself. You might feel lighter, more energetic, and even notice some changes in your skin and overall mood. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more exciting health tips. Let's make the world a healthier place, one tiny seed at a time.